Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you after you complete your entire course, how do you download your certificate from where you get the certificate. So this is our website Upgrade Skill and this is the path upgradeskill.in. So first you will go on your website on this website. And when you come on this website, here you will see login option. So I will click on this option login. And from here, login, you can enter your account, correct? So you have your username and password. I am the admin. So I have a admin username and password. In your case, you will put your email address over here and your password. If you forgot the password, then you have to click on this option lost your password. Then you will go on another page. You can reset your password. As of now, I do login. So let's say you have logged in to the website and you have a Microsoft Excel 30 days course, or you have took a Power Query course, or you have took a Excel mastery course. So whatever course you have allocated to you, you will be seeing all your as I'm an admin. So I have Excel formulas course, master Microsoft Excel, Power Query, dashboard, PowerPoint, dynamic, lots of options over here. So over here, I will go in one of the course which I have completed, that is the Power Query. So let's say I click on Start Learning, and if you will see, I have already completed 100%, but still I click on Start Learning and I'm going inside the course. So if you see on the top over here, you will see you have earned a certificate. So when you go inside the course, you see download certificate. I will show you the download option. But before that, I will show you over here. See, 100% completed. Last activity, March 2020, 23, March 2022. So entire got completed. How it got completed? So whenever you will come on all the videos, you have to come on each video. You have to see all the video. I click on the expand. I click on introduction to Power Query. And when the video opens, you have to see the entire video. After seeing entire video, here you will get one option mark as complete. As of now, it is showing me back to lesson because I have already marked. Let me show you this in another example. So if I go a little bit back and if I go to the another course which I have not yet completed, let's say I go to the Excel formulas course, for example, and I go over there, and if I go into one of the topics over here which is not yet marked complete, so you will get to know also how do you mark your lesson completed. So when I click on it, you will see this screen, and over here you see after you completely watch the video, you have to click on mark complete. So every lesson should be marked complete. Then only you will get this screen, that is the 100% completion. And after that, how do you download the certificates? Very simple. Let's say I went to the Power Query course, and over here there is an option download certificate. Got it? So if you see here download certificate, you can quickly click on it. I click on download certificate, and here you go. And you will see the certificate over here of Power Query. Amazing, simple. Now it's up to you. Either you take the screenshot, or I suggest over here there is an option download. So click on the option download, and over here you will see it will ask you, hey, where do you wish to save? I want to save it on a downloads folder. And I click on the option save, and you see the certificate has been saved in your download folder. And when I double click on it, over here you can see directly the certificates. Lovely. You can upload it on the LinkedIn, you can upload it on your Facebook, on different platforms. Okay. So this way, friends, you can easily download your certificate from our portal once you complete your course and mark all the lessons as 100% completed. So inside the course. Thank you so much.